our last full day of our 9-day stay up here. We've had some miserable hot weather. We've had some storms. We had a pretty good one blow through a couple days ago. Today it rained pretty much all day. It has stopped now, and I have a fire that's well, it's going, so that's a positive thing. Our tiki torches are a bit on the wet side, so I got that one going, and that one there is going, but the one directly behind me, which I love the most, won't stay lit, so I think it got a little too wet. We weren't expecting that much rain. We knew rain was going to come, but I mean, it was like heavy stuff for a while, so we just finished dinner. Piper's still sleeping, so she slept through dinner. She's going to have a personal pizza anyway. We found DiGiorno makes these little tiny little personal ones. We can throw that in the air fryer for a couple minutes, and she's in heaven, so that works. So we did steak and some sides, and she's not into that. So last couple nights we've been doing a couple night runs on the golf cart. Probably do that again tonight, and then tomorrow we'll probably leave around 6 or 7 in the evening, whenever we feel like leaving. So Betsy has some errands to do in the morning. If the weather's nice, I'll take Piper out to the lake and do some swimming. Yeah, so after being up here for so many days, it's going to be really hard to go back to work. With my particular job, though, all emails and anything that was going on during the work week, I was notified, or was kept in the loop. So at least I knew what was going on. So when I get back on Monday, it won't be oh my gosh, what did I miss? And there shouldn't be a ton of stuff to have to do. So I'm very happy that I have a team now that I can rely on when I'm not there. So that's always awesome. And for that, I will get them a special lunch, since they had to work for 3 days straight without me. Not that I'm anything special, but I handle a lot of the paperwork and computer stuff, so I know it's a pain, especially when you're not used to it, and when there's a problem, and you don't know what to do. It gets very discouraging. So I'm very happy for my team, and yeah, that's all I can say about that. So it is 59 degrees right now, and the temperature is going to drop down to about 54. For me, that's perfect. I love it. Got my hoodie on, and I'm fine. Last few nights it was so hot when we were out here at the campfire. It's like, why are we having a fire when it's so hot? But for our last night of our 9-day trip, or not trip, but vacation, I'm glad that it's a nice cool day. This morning when I got up, I slept in till almost 10. Piper and I came out, sat under the awning, just listened and watched the rain. Such a relaxing thing. So for the most part, park's pretty quiet tonight. Family across from us there, they have a bunch of, it looks like their grandkids and stuff over, so you hear a bunch of kids playing. That don't bother me. Troy from Campground maintenance guy, he's on the other side of my RV right now, on the grill cooking dinner for everyone. So other than that, it should be fairly quiet the rest of the night, I think. So alright, well anyway, I think I'm gonna shut this camera off and tend to my fire. So alright, see you soon.